Hi friends, welcome to the Microsoft Excel 2016 online video lesson series. In this video tutorial we will be learning about sorting. Sometimes you need to sort data in particular manner. You need to sort your data in ascending, you need to sort your data into descending. Excel provides wonderful, very easy feature to sort your data into table, which is ascending and descending. It's really easy. Let's see it. First click on the column of which you want to sort data. I want to sort my data of forecast and click on to this drop down button. So it will open up small pop-up where you will find sort in ascending and sort in descending. Select any one of these options. And as you can see, my data is sorted in ascending order. Likewise, you can also sort your data in descending manner. So I am just selecting this descending and it will sort my data into descending order. So it's pretty easy. But there are different ways to sort your data. Like you can also sort your data using this editing section and sort option. So I am just selecting this sort ascending and it will sort my data into ascending order. Same way you can also sort this month data. So it will sort my data in alphabetical order. So April is first, August is 2nd, and it's in alphabetical manner. So this is about sorting. It's really useful feature and you can use as per your need. Thank you very much.